Welcome to our state-of-the-art factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how snake meat is prepared, step by step, in a safe and hygienic way.
In our state-of-the-art facility, precision automated machines and skilled technicians work in harmony. Every batch is refined, marinated, and tested for quality.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
That's how snake meat is prepared, from start to finish, in a modern, hygienic way.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.